Dalawa, tatlo.
Ano ba kayo, Nay?
Dalawa.
Nay, ano ngayon?
Ano ngayon?
Anong araw?
Ba, nakalimutan.
O, sabihin nyo, Happy Thursday.
Sabado.
Sabihin nyo, Happy Thursday.
Happy Thursday.
Tawa kayo. Ay, smile kayo. Happy Thursday.
Thursday ba ngayon?
Webes. Sabihin nyo, Happy Webes.
So I love this one.
Happy Huwebes!
Oh, yan. Okay.
It's called Brainwash. You know, it's one line. The line starts here. and
Happy
ends
Huwebes.
here.
Sabihin nyo, Happy Thursday.
Linya lang to, you never lifted the brush.
Yes, that's one line, the whole thing.
Okay, yung tatay mo is a renowned painter. Would you say he is your influence?
Yeah, definitely.
Even with the style?
Definitely. Because ang dami ko nakitang paintings niya and yung siguro yung taste in colors,
Dalawa.
texture and composition.
So like this one, how long will it take you to finish?
One afternoon, I guess.
And here's another one. This is in ink.
Dalawa.
Oo.
So, paper lang. Wala lang. Uno.
Oo nga.
Balaw. Yan.
So this is oil on canvas.
Acrylic
What is
on,
acrylic?
acrylic on canvas.
Okay.
Just an experiment with texture and color. And geometric.
Anay,
Pero were you ever
Nay.
formally trained?
No.
sabihin nyo, Happy Thursday.
That's why I
Happy
enjoy
Thursday.
abstract so much.
Yeah, yeah.
It's because you have no reference point. It's like, ikaw lang nakakaano kung tapos na to.
Yeah,
Or,
oo.
ito ba yung gusto kong ipalabasin? Ito ba yung gusto kong i-express?
Oo.
So, as
Yeah,
a painter,
pagkain
ikaw lang
na.
naman nakakalap kung yan yung gusto mo.
Magaling ka ba magpinta kung malungkot ka, masaya ka?
Kung ano yung mood mo, lalabas talaga. Sometimes naman you can convert music. For example, when you're